Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll just show you a very simple breakfast item which is equivalent to chapatis or rotis or parotas, that is wheat flour dosa. This is very simple because absolutely no ingredients other than the wheat flour. Okay, see, I've taken the required wheat flour. You take according to your family need. You add asafoetida and the required salt. And then I am giving a very simple tadka, just mustard. Okay, add the mustard. Tadka has already been done. And take the warm water. While making the dough, the batter, you have to take warm water, because then you can make batter without lump. Okay, now you can make the batter of dosa consistency. Okay, since wheat flour has got gluten, see, it forms lumps like this. So when you add warm water, it will be easy to make a batter without lump. The consistency I told you should be of dosa. If you want, you can add, carrots, grated carrots, finely cut onions, any vegetable of your choice. But I am just showing you a very, very simple dosa which can replace rotis. Especially small children, they'll be unable to chew rotis. So this way you can make them eat wheat. Here, there are lumps. We have to break it. So the warm water helps us to break the lump. Here, I have kept the tawa. The stove is on. Trust me, this dosa will be very soft and nice. This can be eaten with any chutney. Or if you are giving it to your kids, give them with curd. Not adding any spice in this, because even my grandkids can eat this. Otherwise you can add red chilli or finely cut chilies, and lots of vegetables you can add in this. So this will, when you add lots of vegetables and eat, it's equal to eating roti with sabji. So sometimes, we'll be bored to roll rotis. So this is the best option. Here, it's getting roasted. In fact, this dosa doesn't need much oil also. You can just flip it. You can see how crispy the dosa is. Trust me, this wheat dosa will be very, very tasty. This is very good for diabetic people. Now, I'll just put off the stove. I'll put it in a plate and show you. The wheat dosa is ready. The very simple wheat dosa which you can make it within few seconds. Trust me, this will be very good. This goes with, this is the raw tamarind chutney, and this is curry leaves chutney powder, and this is the ketchup. You can eat it with anything, or even with sabji, anything of your choice. This is very healthy too. This you can feed this to even an year-old child. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and share it. Press the like button and share this with your friends and relatives. And please request them to subscribe for me, because I need subscription. Without your support, I just cannot go forward. Thank you very much. This is Utvela. Bye-bye.